Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm going to share, I'm actually doing a bunch of videos today, like a ton. I've been sick and so I've had to hold back on some filming anyway. So today I have, this is it. I have a little Sephora haul. And there's a couple of really exciting things in here. That's what I got. But, you know, when you pay like close to $90 for just this much makeup, you got to share it, right? Anyway, it must be worth sharing. But anyway, so that's what I have today is a little Sephora haul featuring a couple of really exciting items. So let's just get to it and see what we got in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. If you would like to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And I'm just going to get right to the special things I have in here. All of them are great, but anyway, I have been so curious to try. I've really been into lip stains lately, trying to find the right lip stain that I really like, that works, that lasts, that really lines the lips good. And so I did find something, and this is the Huda Beauty. I really wanted to try them, the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Stain. So I got two of them. One of them is in the color, it is warm brown, and the other one is cinnamon. So the cinnamon one is the one I'm wearing today. It is, it's kind of a berry color, I guess, a little bit. Kind of a berry, dark mauve, whatever. And then the warm brown is my favorite. And this is just kind of a brown, but it looks really good with a nude look, and it will go with any peachy tones or brown tone. So anyway, did I say peachy tones? I meant pinky tones. Anyway, so I got these, and like I said, I have this one on. I'm going to show it. These are, you just open up like this, and here's what, it's kind of a brush. And you just line the outside of your, I don't know if I should be doing this over what I already have, but I kind of want to show it and so make it a little bit more profound. So you got to be careful because it does have staying power. So you don't really want to mess it up. I have a gloss on too, so I don't know. It's not really meant to go on over that, but anyway, you can kind of see the outline now. It does have a really profound outline. If you like to have the really dark outline and then do a lighter color in the middle, you can do that. Some of the glosses that I'm loving right now, which I've also purchased here, is the Tower 28, and these are fairly, I mean, they're not super expensive. They're $16, but compared to some of the other top brands, it's not too bad. This one right here is a clear one. I like this one. I use this a lot. This one actually looks really good with the brown, warm brown. And then this one right here is kind of a, you can see what color it is. It's kind of a mauve tone. That's what I have on. That's what I have on today. I'll put a little bit more of that on. So it just looks really nice with the liner, and I really, really like these. So these are the new color I got. I didn't realize I already had two of these Tower 21. The new color I got, I'm not Oh, I hope I like it. I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know. We'll see. It might be a little too peachy for me. But I don't know. So there's that. So yeah, these, I can't remember. I should know this offhand what the Huda Beauty are, but I know these are pricier. They're in the 20s. But they're really fun to have. I'm hoping they last long. So anyway, I have tried the brown one too and really like it. I love the color of this one. Probably would say if you had to choose a color to choose the warm brown. Trust me on that. Anyway. And then, of course, I got a couple little samples. I don't know what this is. I got this, the Say Glow Gel. And I got the Dior Dream Skin. Anyway, I think I put down to get like fragrances or something, but that's what they gave me. Anyway, the last thing I got here, and I was so happy to see this. This is the Fenty Beauty. It's the oil. It's her gloss bomb oil. And I love her gloss bombs. This one, I couldn't resist the color. I'm starting to really like this lavender color. See that? So when it goes on, it's kind of an iridescent look, and it just kind of blends with whatever color you're wearing. But I love, love, love this. Has a bit of a shimmer. Do you see that? Anyway, this is really, really fun. It's worth it to just try it if you have one. This is kind of a, to me, it's kind of bougie. I love the way it looks and wears. So anyway, I'm excited about that. And so I guess that's it for my little Sephora thing. But I mainly just wanted to share these Huda Beauty lip things. Love the Tower 28. I love it. Fenty Beauty, you can't go wrong with any of the lip products from Fenty either. Fenty has really nice lip products. So anyway, that's that for this video. Just a short, sweet, but let me know what you think. Have you tried the Huda Beauty lip stains? Let me know. Or do you have any other great lip stains that you know of you want to share with me? Because I'm always out there looking right now for new lip stains. I'm starting to think it's going to be one of my favorite must-haves. So anyway, thank you for being here. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate your support so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.